Hello everyone. Am I audible? The most standardized question these days for all the teachers teaching online is, am I audible? Am I audible? Okay. So, on behalf of Intelletics Institute, I welcome you all for the third lecture on cell cycle and cell division, wherein we are going to solve the MCQs from 61 to 90. And this is surely meant for helping out all the students. And even though we name it as for ICSE 10th standard, but basically this also will help the 12th standard students who wish to appear for NEET. This chapter is basically there for the 11th standard, I know, but the students who wish to appear for NEET exams definitely would be benefited by solving these MCQs. So here we start with question number 61. Which of the following is true about mitosis? A. Details of mitosis are similar in all organisms, which emphasizes the unity of life. B. Asexual reproduction is accomplished only through mitosis. C. It helps in the formation of gametes. D. Both A and B. So, what should be the answer for question number 61? So, the answer for this question is D. Try to understand that the details of mitosis are similar in all organisms, and this definitely emphasizes on the unity of life. Then asexual reproduction can be accomplished only through mitosis. This is also a correct thing about mitosis. Okay, the option C certainly won't be applicable because C says it helps in the formation of gametes. That's not true. Gamete formation occurs by the process of meiosis. Now, coming to the next question, number 62. Asexual reproduction can be accomplished dash A. Only by meiosis, B. Only by mitosis, C. Both by mitosis and meiosis, D. By formation of haploid gametes. Come on, answer me for question number 62. You will certainly be able to answer it. I have already given you a hint. So it shouldn't be a problem for you to answer this. Try. It's a sexual reproduction. So what it should be. Come on, answer. Well, the answer for this question is B. It's possible only by mitosis. Okay, it's possible only by mitosis. Because meiosis is going to be there only for sexually reproducing organisms. Okay, then meiosis helps in dash: A. Recombinations, B. Origin of new species, C. Evolution of species, D. All of the above. Come on, answer. What does meiosis help in? Meiosis, as you know, is called as a reductional division. So I'm just giving you only this hint. Let me see whether you come to perfect answer. After which certainly I will help you out to come to a perfect answer. Well, meiosis, the answer for this question, it helps in D, all of these. Okay. See, is it said that meiosis helps in all of these? The reason is very simple, because meiosis brings about recombinations, that is, new combinations, but obvious because it involves the crossing over of genes that results in formation of new combinations and hence new characters. This is the reason why it is said to contribute to variations, and because it involves variations, it also helps in evolution, that is origin of new species. If you have any questions to ask, you can certainly ask me in the chat box. It's never a problem. If you're going to watch the video later, you can still put it up in the comment section so that I can help you out as and when needed. Coming to the next question, number 64. Chiasma is dash. Try to recollect. Chiasma is dash. The options are: A. The region where crossing over takes place. B. The means of bringing about recombination of characters. C. Exchange of genetic material between non-sister chromatids of the homologous chromosomes is accomplished. D. All of the above. Come on, come on. So, the answer for this question is D. All of these. Basically, chiasma is the region where the non-sister chromatids of the homologous chromosomes cross over each other, and it is at this particular point wherein there is a enzymatic action that results into small cuts, or you can say small nicks in the chromatids, and then resulting into exchange of the genetic matter in that particular area. And this, as I just said, it brings about formation of new combinations of characters, and hence that's called as recombination of characters. and this is how it results into variations. Okay, now coming to the next question, number 65. Assertion and reasoning type of a question. Assertion: chromosomes are called as the carriers of heredity. Reason: the chromosomes contain genes which carry specific features to the offsprings. And your options are: A. Both assertion and reason are true, and the reason is the correct explanation of the assertion. B. Both assertion and reason are true, but the reason is not the correct explanation of the assertion. C. Assertion is true, but the reason is false. D. Both assertion and reason are false. Answer this question. Come on, come on, come on. The correct answer for this question is A. Both assertion and reason are true, and the reason is the correct explanation of the assertion. And it's quite easier to solve, I guess, so it shouldn't be a problem for you to solve this question. Okay, let's go ahead to the next question, number 66. The uncondensed form of nucleoprotein is dash. A. Chromosome. B. Chromatin. C. Chromatin reticulum. D. Nucleosome. I want you to answer it as fast as possible so that we can solve many MCQs in lesser time. Well, the answer for this question is D. Chromatin. The uncondensed form of nucleoprotein is chromatin. Coming to the next, question number 67. Chromatin is seen in dash stage of the cell division. A. Interphase. B. Prophase. C. Metaphase. D. Anaphase. What should be the answer for this question? Chromatin is seen in dash stage of the cell division. Well, the answer for this question is A. Interphase. Okay, so it is the interphase that's going to be, okay, it's going to be interphase. Interphase is nothing but much before cell division. Very good, Sampada. Very good, Kiran. Good going. You're answering correct. Kiran, you're right in question number 67. But बच्चा 67 का आंसर संपदा आपने आंसर सी दिया है बच्चा. दैट्स अ रॉन्ग आंसर बच्चा. क्रोमैटिन पूछा गया है, राइट? Metaphase में what we see clearly are chromatids and not chromatin. Okay, so just be careful about what you read so that you don't go wrong. And if you have any queries, I'm there here to solve, so please keep following. Okay, if you're new to the channel, please ensure that you subscribe to our channel so that you get the daily updates of whatever new videos that we will be putting up on this channel. Now, coming to the question number 68, all animal cells follow dash cytokinesis through cell furrow formation. A. Equatorial, B. Centripetal, C. Centrifugal, D. Bipolar. Now, this question is going to be slightly of the higher level as compared to the 10th standard level. But as I said, this MCQs are not just meant only for the 10th standard students, but these are also meant for all those students who wish to appear for NEET. So, what should be the answer for this question? All animal cells follow dash cytokinesis through cell furrow formation. Now, I can just tell you once you attempt for the answer, I will certainly tell you what is the answer and why should it be. Well, the answer for question number 68 is B, centripetal. Now try to recollect that you have studied in cytokinesis in case of animals. You know there is a formation of a furrow, that is cleavage, that is that area slightly gets depressed on both the sides. So this particular furrow formation is from the periphery of the cell towards the center. So whenever anything is starting from the periphery and it goes towards the center, we call it as centripetal. And centrifugal is from the center to the periphery. I hope you got it. This is no doubt slightly of a higher level, but I want my students to be well prepared in all the ways. That's the reason such a slightly higher level question was selected for this session. So, बच्चा लोग आपको डाउट रहेगा आप पूछ सकते हैं. I'm giving you a minute to think over. Any doubt? Did you understand what is centripetal? So centripetal is towards the center. Okay, and centrifugal is going away from the center in simple words. Okay, now coming to the next question number 69. When zygote undergoes meiosis to form haploid spores, which on repeated mitotic division forms the adult body, it is termed as dash. A. Zygotic mitosis, B. Zygotic meiosis, C. Amitosis, D. Gametic meiosis. Come on, come on. Well, the answer for this question is B. That is zygotic meiosis. Okay, so it's zygotic meiosis, the process in which the zygote undergoes meiosis so as to produce the haploid spores, depending upon at what stage meiosis occurs. Okay, there are different types of meiotic cell divisions also. Okay, and for your information, I've added one tip there, seen in some algae and fungi. Okay, so you can keep this in mind, especially for those students who are going to prepare for NEET after their 10th standard as well. Now, coming to the next question, number 70, centromere is dash. A, it is a non-stainable part of chromosome. B, it is a part of chromosome at which two chromatids join. C, it provides attachment of spindle fibers during cell division. D, all of the above. Come on, answer fast. Centromere. The question is centromere. You're likely to be confused here. Many students go wrong. Centromere. What should be the answer for question number 70? Well, the answer is D, all of the above. Centromere is the non-stainable part of the chromosome, a very, very important point. It is a part of the chromosome at which two chromatids join. This is also quite correct. And it provides attachment of spindle fibers during cell division. If you remember, if you have watched my earlier video, so you will remember I have even told you that even though the textbook says that the spindle fibers attach to the centromere, but ideally the spindle fibers attach to the kinetochore, which is a cover, which is a membrane, which is a structure that covers the centromere. Okay, so ideally centromere and kinetochore are slightly different from each other. So please remember this. Coming to the next question, number 71, the cell division that occurs during the formation of pollen grains is dash. A, mitosis. B, meiosis. C, both A and B. D, mitosis. So, what should be the answer for this? The cell division that occurs during the formation of pollen grains is dash. Come on. What should be the answer for this? Come on. I want you all to answer. Attempt. It's okay if you go wrong. It's not a problem. Sampada, why have you got so passive now? Start answering better. Well, the answer for this question is B, meiosis. You know, pollen grains are going to be formed by meiosis. Okay, now coming to the next question, number 72. All plant cells follow dash cytokinesis by cell plate formation. A. Equatorial. B. Centripetal. C. Centrifugal. D. Bipolar. I've already given you a clue of the same in earlier question, so it shouldn't be a problem for you to answer. Come on, answer me for question number 72. What should be the answer? Come on, bacha party, answer. I've given you a clue in the earlier question when I was explaining you something about cytokinesis. इतनी बड़ी hint मिली है आपको. The answer for this question is centrifugal. That is, from the center to the periphery. When the cell plate is formed, the formation of the cell plate basically starts at the center. Okay, so the earlier answer was centrifugal. Now coming to the next question, number 73. Chromosomes are seen in dash stage. A. G1, B. S, C. G2, D. M. What should be the answer for question number 73? Chromosomes are seen in dash stage. You have to solve till 75. Well, the answer for this question is D, that is M stage. So chromosomes are seen in the M stage, that is mitotic stage. Okay. Coming to the next question, number 74. The condensed form of nucleoprotein is dash. A. Chromosome. B. Chromatid. C. Nucleosome. And D. Nucleotide. Answer me for question number 74. Well, the answer is A. Chromosome. The condensed form of nucleoprotein is chromosome. Coming to the next question, number 75. The sheath that covers the chromosome is termed as dash. A. Matrix. B. Pellicle. C. Centromere. D. Kinetochore. The sheath that covers the chromosome is termed as dash. Come on, answer. Fast. It's very easy, But I know ki maybe you might not really come to the perfect answer for this question because you might not have heard about it. Well, but it's an important part of the chromosome. So that's the reason I've selected this question for this session. Well, the answer is pellicle. So the protective sheath that is covering of the chromosome is called as pellicle. Now let's go ahead. Let's try solving many more. Question number 76. The kind of division normally seen at the tip of the root and shoot system is dash. A. Mitosis. B. Mitosis. C. Meiosis. D. All of these. So the cell division that is normally seen at the tip of the root and the shoot. Now here I can give you a clue that the tip of the root and the shoot consists of meristematic cells. So what should be your answer for this question? Answer me fast. See, I want an active participation, a kind of an interactive session with you all. So please participate. Well, well, good, Kiran. The answer is B, that is mitosis. Coming to the next question, number 77. Microtubules form a bipolar spindle in which stage? Now, bipolar, that is at the two poles. A. Interphase. B. Prophase. C. Metaphase. D. Anaphase. Come on, answer. Well, the answer for this question is C, metaphase. Bipolar, that is a spindle that connects the two poles with each other. And as you know, the spindle formation is completed in the metaphase stage. Coming to the next, question number 78. The process responsible for variation is dash. A. Chiasmata formation. B. Synapses. C. Crossing over. D. Formation of spindle. Well, the answer for this question is C. Crossing over. Now, coming to the next question, number 79. The largest phase of a normal cell cycle is dash. A. Prophase. B. Metaphase. C. Anaphase. D. Telophase. Well, the answer for this question is A. Prophase. So, prophase is the longest or the largest phase of a normal cell cycle. Coming to the next question, question number 80. Uncontrolled cell division can result in dash. A. Growth. B. Reproduction. C. Swelling. D. Cancer. Answer me fast. Well, the answer for this question is D. Cancer. Uncontrolled cell division. That is another stage that basically is responsible for that. That is when the cell becomes abnormal because of a loss of control at the G0, that is said to be the quiescent phase of the cell division. It starts rapidly dividing, and that results in the formation of a tumor, which is one of the symptoms of cancer. Coming to the next question, number 81. The stage in mitosis when the nucleolus starts disappearing is dash. A. Prophase. B. Metaphase. C. Anaphase. D. Telophase. So the stage in mitosis when the nucleolus starts disappearing. Quite an easier question to answer. Come on, answer. The correct answer for this question is A. Prophase. So it is the prophase in which the nucleolus as well as the nuclear membrane it starts disappearing. Coming to the next question, number 82. The formation of spindle fibers starts in dash. A. Late prophase. B. Early metaphase. C. Anaphase. D. Either A or B. Formation of spindle fibers starts in dash. Well, the answer for this question is D, either A or B. So the spindle fiber formation basically starts in the late prophase and it's completed in the early metaphase. So complete spindle apparatus is formed in the metaphase. Coming to the next question, number 83. Which is the shortest phase of mitosis? A. Prophase. B. Metaphase. C. Anaphase. D. Telophase. So the shortest phase of mitosis is C. It's anaphase. Okay. The longest phase is prophase and the shortest phase is anaphase. Coming to the next question, number 84. Well, before I start with this, please remember this is the longest phase of the M phase. If I talk about the entire cell cycle, the longest phase will be interphase itself. Okay. Now, coming to question number 84, the stage when sister chromosomes separate from their paired condition is dash. A. Prophase. B. Metaphase. C. Anaphase. D. Telophase. The answer to this question is C, that is anaphase. So it's the anaphase when the sister chromosomes separate from their paired condition. Okay, paired is a group of two. Coming to the next question, number 85. Name the type of cell division that occurs during repair of worn out tissues. Quite an easier question. A. Mitosis. B. Mitosis. C. Meiosis. D. Both B and C. Well, the answer for this question is mitosis. Mitosis helps in growth as well as repair of the dead or the worn out tissues. Coming to the next question, number 86. The period between two successive mitotic divisions is dash. A. Interphase. B. Prophase. C. Metaphase. D. Anaphase. Now, the answer for this question is A. Interphase. So, interphase is the period between two successive mitotic divisions. Now, coming to the next question, number 87, the stage at which chromosomes reach the opposite poles is dash. A. Prophase. B. Metaphase. C. Anaphase. D. Telophase. So, which is the stage at which the chromosomes reach the opposite poles? And the answer to this question is C. Anaphase. So it is anaphase at which chromosomes reach the opposite poles. Coming to the next question, number 88. During cytokinesis, when the cell plate begins in the center and moves towards the wall, is dash. A. Equatorial. B. Centripetal. C. Centrifugal. D. Bipolar. Now, again, you have already solved two questions earlier on the same line, so it won't be difficult for you to solve this question. I've already given you a hint in one of the questions. So tell me, during cytokinesis, when the cell plate that is but obvious, it's a plant cell division. So the answer for this question will be C, centrifugal, that is from the center towards the periphery. Coming to the next question, number 89. The stage at meiosis at which there are two cells, each with sister chromatids aligned at the equator, is dash. A. Anaphase 1. B. Anaphase 2. C. Telophase 1. D. Telophase 2. So at the stage at meiosis at which there are two cells, each with sister chromatids aligned at the equator, is dash. Slightly tricky question. The answer is A. That is anaphase 1. And now coming to the last question, that is question number 90. The phase usually skipped in meiosis is dash. A. Telophase 1. B. Anaphase 1. C. Prophase 1. D. Metaphase 1. So which is the phase that is skipped in meiosis? See friends, I have total 150 questions already framed for you on this chapter. So please keep solving. This is going to be a good practice for you. And the answer for this question is A. It is telophase 1, the phase that can be skipped in meiosis. So friends, I'm so happy that you have been with me, studying with me. And there are many questions and many chapters and a good revision and a good practice to be given just for the students, okay, from Intelletics Academic Education. So be with us. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe and do share with your friends so that many more students can get the benefit of this. Thank you so much for being with me. Thank you. Keep studying. Happy learning.